In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a product to your Shopify store step by step. If you're new to Shopify and want to start selling products online, this guide will help you get your first product listed quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look at the left side menu and click on Products. Inside the Product section, click on the Add Product button. This will open the product creation page where you can enter all your product details. Start by entering your product title. Make sure the title is clear and easy for customers to understand. After that, add a detailed product description explaining the features, benefits, and important information about the item. Next, upload high-quality product images. You can add multiple photos to showcase your product from different angles and help customers get a better look at what you're selling. Now scroll down to the pricing section and enter your product price. You can also add a compare at price if you want to show discounts or sales pricing. After that, update the inventory section by adding stock quantities, SKU numbers, or barcode details if needed. If your product comes in different sizes or colors, you can also create product variants to make shopping easier for customers. Next, review the shipping and search engine listing settings to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied with all the product information, click Save to publish the product to your Shopify store. Now your product will appear on your online store and customers can start viewing and purchasing it. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.